Hi, I'm Liz Walker. I'm a toxicologist, and I've been building smoke-ready communities in north central Washington for about the last 15 years. Smoke readiness means improving air quality where possible and protecting our health where necessary. Smoke is a mixture of both particles and a number of gases and chemicals. PM 2.5 are really, really tiny particles, and that size is what makes them so harmful to our health. When we inhale them, they go deep all the way down to the bottom of our lungs, and so that's why we see impacts to the lungs, impacts on the cardiovascular system. They can even get into our brains. Wildfire smoke is our largest exposure that we get. Outdoor burning, it's really critical that we think about taking any step to avoid unnecessary burning when we can. We also live in an area where a lot of people home heat with wood. Thinking about whether or not there might be a better choice for your home is really important, and we've been utilizing a wood stove exchange program to help people transfer off wood for home heating in the wintertime.
Hi, my name's Mike Stenberg. My role is system design, residential and commercial. Huge benefits of a heat pump. You're going to use about 30 to 40% less kilowatt hours to heat your home. Also, one of the benefits is you get air conditioning. Lately, we've been just having a great time here in Methow Valley under the wood smoke program, trying to clean up the air out here. Doesn't get more efficient and cleaner than electric heat.
I'm Kate Posey, and I live in Twisp, Washington. I'm a cancer survivor, and so it made me aware of environmental impacts on our health. Having clean air is just so important. This spring was the first time when we had some heat, and I turned on the AC part of that, and that was just kind of mind-blowing for us. I definitely would recommend it, and I have recommended it.
How do I improve my indoor air quality?
If you have an HVAC system, taking a look and putting in the highest rated MERV filter that your system can handle. If you don't have forced air, you can use a HEPA air cleaner. Another great and more affordable option is a box fan filter. These are utilizing a simple box fan and then attaching a MERV 13 filter, either with tape or a bungee cord, and turning that on. It's a really simple and powerful way to clean your indoor air effectively.
Who should be the most concerned about air quality?
We really say that there's no level of smoke that's safe, but again, we have some folks in our population that are much more sensitive to smoke. They're young and they're still growing. Those over 65 or aging, anyone with a heart condition or a lung condition, women who are pregnant as well as their fetuses. And then there's also people who have high exposures already, perhaps because they work outdoors in agriculture or construction. We estimate that in Washington state, that's about 60% of our population. So really it's everyone that should be paying attention to the air quality and thinking about how to reduce their exposures.
How do I know when the air quality is bad?
Obviously, an easy way to check the air quality is to look out your window or to step outside. So the number one recommendation we like to make is to check airnow.gov. So when air quality becomes in the orange category, or 101 to 150, this is where sensitive groups can start to think about ways to reduce their exposure.
When should I wear a mask?
So if you must be outside in poor air quality or wildfire smoke, wearing a well-fitting N95 mask can be a great way to reduce your exposure. These surgical masks do not provide protection. What you need is an N95 or KN95 that provides a good seal around your face and is comfortable to wear. Dana is going to show us here how to both fit a mask, and we'll see what's most comfortable for her. You want to fit when there is a nose bridge. You want to make sure that that's secure over your face and that you have a good seal all the way around the edge here. And you can test that by taking a deep breath in and then out again and kind of testing to see if there's any gaps along the outside. For me, this mask is much more comfortable and fits a lot better. So again, we're looking for a good seal all around the edges of your face. You can foot the nose bridge and then go ahead and do another breath in and breath out. How's that feel?
Good.
Good.
Yeah.